Hey guys, it's Ryan, and I'm a product engineer with Arbsession, and I'm here with a 360 video for the Arbsession Quick Connect lower spur straps. Our Quick Connect strap is sold in a pair and has a heavy-duty Velcro for quick adjustments. It also has a quick release snap, which allows you to take the lower strap on and off nice and quick. Be sure when you order your Quick Connect strap that the set of spikes that you plan on replacing the lower strap for also has that split ring design to make for a nice easy switch over. If you find that the split ring is a little bit more difficult to take off, you can use a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and slide that along as you go to help keep that going. But it is definitely easier to swap out if the lower strap buckles have been broken in just a bit. Again, if you're having difficulty, you can always slide in a flathead screwdriver just to get this started. It definitely helps a lot. And at the very end here, make sure that you don't have your thumb or finger in that little gap there. This is a nice strong split ring. All right, and now you're set to go. Now that you swapped out the lower strap for the Arbsession Quick Connect strap, you'll notice that the webbing is quite a bit larger, which is going to increase the comfort throughout the day, as well as being heavy duty and reinforced. You'll be able to find our Arbsession Quick Connect lower spur strap at arbsession.com. Thanks for watching.